chicken, peppers, and onions sub. So I'm starting just dressing the chicken with a little olive oil and a lot of spice, and we'll let it hang out for a few minutes. I don't know, like 10, 15, no biggie. Salt and pepper over the shoulder for luck. A little garlic and onion or just granulated garlic. Oregano, about a teaspoon each. I have 2 packages of chicken tenders, so under 2 pounds. And about the same of fennel pollen. And red pepper flake, duh. Okay. Toss this around a bit, and then while it hangs out for just a few minutes, you're going to preheat a cast iron skillet. So for every up to 6 subs, this is the amount of pepper and onion that I use. A large red or white onion and 3 peppers total and 4 cloves of garlic. So guys, I browned the chicken tenders. I'm muscling into John's shot here. And as I said, I took them out and I added our peppers and onions and garlic, crushed garlic. Now I'm adding a little squirt of tomato paste. And we're gonna toss that around just to wake up the tomato paste. And now we're gonna add a little chicken broth. About a cup. And let that kind of soften all of this beautiful hot mess up. And I'm gonna slide the chicken and all of its juice back in. And just let this hang out for a few minutes. We browned the chicken will finish cooking through, and the peppers and onions will get really soft, but hopefully still be a little tender crisp around the edges. We didn't blacken them, we didn't cook them to death. They're just tender crisp. This is my secret ingredient, not so secret because I'm sharing it with all of you. I use a little cherry peppers. Now you can use hot or sweet if you prefer sweet. Hot or sweet pickled cherry peppers, and I just drizzle over a little of their juice into the dish, and then when we serve, we'll decorate the top with a little bit of the sliced cherry pepper as well. So we've got our hoagie rolls ready to go, and you need a pan you can pop under the broiler to melt the cheese. So I'll just do a couple for right now and build them kind of on an as-need basis. I just turned off our CPO, our chicken peppers and onions for our subs, for our little block party we're having today. Now we're gonna take provolone and deli sliced mozzarella and layer those on there. And we'll just pop those in here. Now, if you guys watch this show, you know I mistakenly bought an oven that has no broiler, so this may take a minute. Yay! Okay, now we're gonna take our subs. Woo, look at that cheese, all melty and delicious. And we're gonna take a couple of our hot or sweet peppers, whichever you prefer, scatter those across the top.